Introducing the Beadsmith Beading Awls Collection, the ultimate tools for achieving unparalleled precision in your beadwork. A beading awl has a smooth surface with a pointed tip. This is not to be confused with a bead reamer, which has a rough surface for filing. These specialized instruments are designed to make consistent and tight knots that elevate the quality of your jewelry crafting. Knotting with an awl is easy. Using silk or nylon string, thread a bead onto the cord. Make a loop around two of your fingers with the loose end of the cord, creating a loose overhand knot. Insert the tip of the awl through the center of the knot. Carefully slide the knot towards the bead while pulling the loose end with your other hand. Remove the awl and pull the knot tight. Repeat with each bead until the jewelry is complete. The fine point efficiently guides knots close to beads, ensuring unparalleled precision in your beadwork. Our beading awls go beyond knotting. They are indispensable for opening small beads to cover crimps. Additionally, an awl can aid in loosening knots and untangling, making it a versatile tool for various jewelry crafting tasks.